Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Makeup for Beginners. Today we're going to be doing bronzer. Yep. So, the bronzer that I like to use, but you can use any bronzer you like. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. And this is in Rosewood. And I really like this bronzer, but as I said, you can use any bronzer you want. You can even use cream bronzer, whatever you like. I'm just using what I have, which is this bronzer here. So I'm taking a brush. Now the best way, I think, to apply bronzer is to do the 3, which is 1, 2, 3. It's the easiest way that I know how to do bronzer, and it's super easy. So you start at the top. 1, so 1, 2, 3. So you're making like a 3 on your face. And then you blend. Same thing on the other side. So watch again. 1, a bit more product. So 1, 2, 3. So again, 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh.
Okay, I found.
Sorry about that. That was my iPad. Sorry, it was interrupting. My goodness. Okay, so again, as I was saying, 1, so 1, 2, 3, and then you just blend. So again, 1, so 1, 2, 2 here, 3. So you're making a 3. And that is my simple way of applying bronzer, which is the 3 method. So you do a 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, again, 1, 2, 3. Easy, super easy. And that is my quick way of applying bronzer. Just going to touch up a bit. But yeah, that is my way of applying bronzer, is the 3 method. 1, 2, 3. Easy. Super easy. Now, we're going to also do eyebrows. Now, I have done one of these before. If you want to, I will link that below. But I have since then updated my brow routine. So, I use 2 brow pencils. I use ABH Brow Wiz and the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is in number 4, which is my favorite shade. So what I like to do is I take my Brow Wiz. So actually, first thing I do is I comb out my brows with the spoolie. So just like this. Okay, and then what I like to do, and this is like the easiest way that I have found to do eyebrows, is you start here and you kind of make a little line. Like that. Just a little line. And then you do the top like that. And kind of make it go like that. See? And what I like to do, I like to just color this in and connect those 2 lines together and kind of blend them together. And then bring it down like that. And then I just fill in the color very, very lightly. Like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Again, we do the line down the bottom and then again up the top. Connect them together, blend in. Blend, 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 blend. Extend the line. Okay, and then we just blend this out. Nice and easy, like that. And now I'm going to take the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'm going to take, and I'm just going to take this and fill in the rest over it again. Pretty much the same thing, just very lightly. See? Very, very, very lightly. A little bit up like this. And just keep it nice and lightly feathered. Very light strokes. So something look like that. Okay. Just gonna blend this all together. Okay, now I'm going to set my brows. Now you can use any brow gel you like. I'm using Brow Freeze, again by ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going to get some product. And I'm going to just brush this up like this and set my brows. And that is it. That is how I do my brows. It's very simple, very easy. So as I said, I use 3 products. I use a Brow Freeze from ABH, the Brow Wiz, and the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. These are my 3 brow products that I use to do my brows. You can use whatever brow products you like. And also what bronzer you like as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you all in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah. Bye.